Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Welcome back to part 2. Now that we've covered tire care, let's talk about when it's time to replace those tires and how to pick the right ones for your American truck. Let's dive into the details. Essential tire care practices for American truck owners. Skipping tire maintenance can compromise safety and cost you extra down the road. Here's how to keep your tires in top shape. Regular tire inspections. When was the last time you checked your tires? Regular inspections help spot issues before they turn into costly problems. Look for uneven tread wear. This could indicate alignment or suspension issues, or the need for a tire rotation. Visible damage like cuts or punctures. Even minor damage can lead to a blowout or loss of pressure. Embedded debris, nails, stones, etc. Foreign objects can cause slow leaks or punctures. Proper inflation levels. Incorrect tire pressure can affect fuel efficiency, handling, and overall tire health. Make it a habit to inspect your tires during routine oil changes or before long trips. A 10-minute check can save you thousands in repairs and avoid dangerous situations. The role of proper tire inflation. Underinflated or overinflated tires aren't just bad for your ride, they're dangerous. Underinflation leads to increased wear and poor fuel efficiency, while overinflation reduces traction and makes your tires more prone to damage. In either case, your tires will wear out faster and reduce your vehicle's overall performance. Use a pressure gauge to check your tire pressure monthly. Stick to the guidelines in your truck's owner manual, not the numbers printed on the tire itself. Keeping your tires properly inflated is one of the simplest and most effective ways to extend their lifespan and improve fuel efficiency. Tire rotation schedules. Tires don't wear out evenly, especially on trucks. Factors like load distribution, turning habits, and alignment issues can cause uneven tread wear. Regular tire rotation ensures that all tires wear at the same rate, promoting balanced performance. For most trucks, rotate your tires every 6,000 to 8,000 miles. The rotation pattern depends on whether your truck is front-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, or all-wheel drive, so always follow the recommendations in your manual or ask a trusted mechanic for advice. Balancing and wheel alignment. If you notice your truck vibrating at high speeds or pulling to one side, it might be time for balancing or alignment. Balancing ensures the tire weight is evenly distributed, while alignment adjusts the angles of your wheels for better steering and longer tire life. When your truck's wheels aren't aligned properly, your tires can wear unevenly, causing premature damage. Balancing and alignment checks should be done every year or when installing new tires. Signs it's time to replace your truck tires. Even with proper care, tires wear out eventually. Knowing the signs of tire failure can keep you safe on the road. Don't wait until a problem arises. Recognize these signs early to prevent further damage. Low tread depth. A tire's tread provides grip, especially in wet or slippery conditions. The legal minimum tread depth in most states is 2/32 of an inch, but many experts recommend replacing tires before they reach this point to ensure maximum safety. Use the penny test to check your tread. Insert a penny head first into the grooves. If Lincoln's head is visible, it's time for new tires. Visible damage. Don't ignore signs of physical wear and tear. Cracks, bulges, or punctures compromise a tire's integrity. If you see these issues, replace your tires immediately. It's not worth the risk. Age of the tires. Tires degrade over time, even with minimal use. Rubber dries out, and the internal structure weakens. Most experts suggest replacing truck tires after 6–10 years, regardless of tread depth, especially if they show signs of aging like cracks or dry rot. Choosing replacement tires for your truck. Replacing truck tires isn't just about picking the right size. It's an opportunity to match your tires to your driving needs and conditions, ensuring safety, efficiency, and longevity. Understanding tire ratings and codes. Tires come with codes and ratings that tell you everything you need to know. Here's how to decipher them. Load index indicates how much weight the tire can support. Trucks need tires with higher load ratings to handle the weight of heavy cargo. Speed rating tells you the maximum safe speed for the tire. Trucks typically require tires with a higher speed rating to ensure stability at highway speeds. Tire size includes width, aspect ratio, and rim diameter, e.g., 265/70ths R17. Make sure you select tires that match your truck's specifications. Pay attention to these details when selecting new tires to ensure optimal performance. Matching tires to driving conditions. Do you haul across icy highways or cruise through desert heat? Your tire choice should reflect your typical routes. For snowy climates, winter tires are a must. For hauling heavy loads, prioritize higher load ratings and reinforced sidewalls. Importance of purchasing from reputable brands. Cheap tires might seem like a good deal, but they often lack the durability and safety of well-known brands. Trusted manufacturers use better materials, test their products rigorously, and offer solid warranties. Brands like Michelin, Goodyear, and Bridgestone are known for their quality and performance. Sticking with reputable brands ensures you get a product that will perform well under demanding conditions. Keeping your truck tires in top shape isn't just about saving money, it's about safety, reliability, and efficiency. Routine inspections, proper care, and knowing when to replace your tires can make a world of difference. When it's time to buy new ones, invest in high-quality tires that match your needs. After all, your tires are the only thing keeping your truck connected to the road. Treat them right, and they'll return the favor. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.